All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm gonna be ripping this DRC. This is their 1205. This is a brushless RC car from DRC. I've ripped a lot of these RC cars from DRC. These things are quite awesome for like a little, I would just call them a beginner hobby grade type car. So we're gonna rip it out here in this parking lot, try to go over this ramp back here a few times. And then at the end of this video, I will show you everything that did come in the box, talk to you a little bit about the batteries and the extra parts it does come with. So enjoy the video. Oh, and if you don't watch all the way to the end, because people have attention spans of like a gnat, there's a little button up under here that's red. Just push that button in. There you go, and it's on.
Do you know how fast it goes?
I don't remember. I'll put on the screen here how fast it says it goes. And I do talk to you about the controller a little bit at the end also. Yeah, it's got lights on it. It's a pretty cool little car, I think. Here we go. Whoa, we're throwing rocks. It's pretty fast. It's all-wheel drive, brushless. It's throwing rocks on me. It comes with an extra set of batteries, or it does come with an extra set of tires. And no, he wrecks it. It's got lights on it, oil-filled shocks. Ah, nice. That was a slow ramp. Let's get going fast. There you go. You're going like as slow as it goes. Nobody wants to see this thing go slow. Oh. Nice, that was a nice ramp. That was really good. Yep. Little wrecky wreck. Definitely durable. It's all dusty. Oh, and on the top of that, the top of the like cover, nice, really good one. The top of that cover, it has a couple extra pieces of plastic to help that thing survive every time you wreck it, so it won't totally damage the top of the car. That's kind of nice. Woo, that was good. This thing jumps good. I love it. Whoa. Holy crap. Yep. The only thing you do have to get is four AA batteries for in the remote control. Woo, you gotta land it. Oh, kinda landed it. There we go. Definitely gonna show this thing is durable. Nice, that was a nice one. Woo! Oh yeah, we wrecked. There's some lights on the bottom. I think we're still banging her up a little. It's all right. The little tiny tires, it's pretty fast. Oh, right. Nosedive. Maybe you got to hit the throttle a little to flatten it out. Did you hit it a little or just let off?
I let off and then hit it again.
Well, you know it's durable. Woo, boy. Throw some rocks up. Woo, yep, we're rolling. Okay. Whoa! Without hitting me. Sucker goes far away. I love it. This thing's cool. Whoa! Maybe a little too close.
Hard to tell in this angle.
Yeah, I know. Thing rips. Oh.
You're right by all the big rocks.
Yep.
This car actually seems really good.
Nice jump. Nice that comes with another set of tires because this thing really rips. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out with deciding if you want to buy one of these. If you want to check one of these out, I will have this same RC car down in my description and in my first comment. So thanks for watching. God bless and stay awesome, people. All right, this is everything that did come in the box with the 1205, the DRC 4x4 car that you just seen me ripping here in this video. Now, if you get this, this will have a plastic coating on it. So if you want to take this plastic coating off, you can. That's why you see that there. You will get a controller, pretty nice little decent controller for this RC car. This is not really expensive RC car. Now you can adjust your trim levels. You can adjust your steering. You got chassis lights, headlights here. And this little knob right here, there's one you can spin here at the like right above the power button. That's going to be able to make it go, so if you pull the trigger it will go a lot slower or it will go full speed. So if you have a younger boy or girl, you can turn this all the way down and I guess hope they don't turn it all the way back up. That way it won't go crazy, because this thing is really not the slowest of cars, which is really cool though. This is nice. I like the foam on that, but that's forward, that's backwards, and turn this to the right. It's going to turn right and then left, okay? But you get a whole extra set of tires with it, which is nice. You get some extra little nuts and bolts, and there's some even pins in there. They're for the tires if you take them off. A couple little extra pins in case you lose any of these pins right here, these clips. I'll show you under the body here too. And you get a couple of little front arms. These arms are for these front tires here. That's one of the first things. A lot of times you might hit something and snap on them. I don't do that hardly ever, but you do get an extra one in case you break one. Really nice. You get two batteries, and I like these batteries because you can just push this button there and see if it's fully charged or not. That's pretty cool. And this is the charger right here for both of these batteries. You plug that little white plug right there into the little white plug there. All right, when these batteries are fully charged, it says red light and green light are always on. They're not blinking, okay? This is what it looks like under this body. I got to be careful because there's lights in this top, so they are plugged into it. So you can just pull it to the side, but that's what it's going to look like in there. It looks really nice. You got the heat sink on the motor. This is all like the electronics of it. This is the power button right here, this little red button. You hold that in to turn it on. There's a little antenna on that. I might point that up. I don't think it matters much, but it looks pretty nice in here. This thing has metal gears in it. Pretty nice little shocks. I think definitely seems like there's definitely oil in them, I think. It says there is oil in them, so this is where you'll put the battery. You pop that open. Plug this little red plug into the end here. Like that. And then this little part that sticks up that you can see the lights on, that goes down, okay? Like that. There we go. On. Oh, here, these are those arms I was talking about right here. They're right there up front where your tires turn. This is a cool little car, man. Only thing you will need to get is, I think that the controller takes, you have 4 AA batteries in there. And it does come with a little screwdriver too. Oh, and a wrench to take off the tires. All right, that's about it, what comes in the box. I hope this video did help you out and showed you everything you needed to know. Just in case you're trying to make a good decision if you want to buy this little DRC RC car. I really, really love these DRC cars. They are awesome car if you want to get into something that's maybe like I call this a little more hobby grade. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.